out here at the woodpile in the early morning with another knife review for you. Check this out. The brand here is Tonife. Now let's look at the sheath first. It's got eyelets there. It's actually G10. The sheath and the handle scales are both G10. Spacer there, and it's got a clip. So you can use this as a neck knife and you can rig up any type of carry you want. Right? It's got a tip that's forward, right, of the center line of the knife. It's got jimping right there and right there. Has a retention ring, which you don't have to use if you don't want to. Right, it's got 2 holes there. True full tank construction. Alright, so Tonife. That's the brand. It came in this box. Alright, the brand is Tonife. It is called the Crescent. Blade length 2.17 inches. The weight 2.5 ounces. The steel 8CR14 MOV. You know, it has a very short, compact handle, but gives an excellent grip. I mean, for a 3-finger handle, provides an excellent grip, lots of control. It's going to be at an angle, which is perfect for opening up boxes, packages. Alright, so this is a nice, handy little everyday carry knife. It's got, I like it because it's dual use, right? Most of the time, you're just going to be using this the same way you would use a little folding pocket knife, right? But this is stronger. But in an emergency, if you had to get someone the hell off you, this becomes like an anti-grappling piece of equipment, let's just say. Now YouTube, before we go further, light up the comments section. It really helps with the algorithm, and I really appreciate it. If you support radical concepts like, oh, I don't know, freedom, self-defense, the right to own certain tools such as this to defend you and yours, go ahead and leave a comment for me. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it's got some texture on the G10 scales. This is well executed. They have 8 different versions. Okay, if you want like a blacked out blade or different color scales, yeah, they have 8 different versions of this, which are all the same except for different colors there. All right, so that's cool. Okay, I'm going to cut a few things for you. Here is a seatbelt-like strap, which I will double over because this is a short blade. Right, let's see what it does on that. Right, so it goes right through. Alright, here's a piece of a box, utility type function. And it does well on that. Well, that's pretty good. That's pretty good considering I already used this to break down some boxes earlier, so that edge has already been beat up. Now, how's the retention on that sheath? It's good. It's not going to come out. Alright, so that was a quick and dirty review. What is the takeaway? Well, full tank construction. It's very easy to carry. It has a very useful blade shape and handle shape. The retaining ring. The ergos are great on this. So this is all good for EDC and last-ditch use. Definitely. This is a very well thought out design. Tonife, I'm going to look at their stuff in the future now that I've seen this. The only thing is that, you know, that steel, it's not so good, but it's perfectly legit for this price, right? But if they, you know, they could make one with better steel as their deluxe model, because everybody who buys this is going to like using it, and if they came out with a model that had better steel, they'd probably upgrade in time. You know, one use of the ring, they listed this as a karambit, I guess because it has a ring. You could hold it like that if you really wanted to. I personally wouldn't, but one use of the ring, fidget toy. Alright, do not try this at home. But this, yeah, do I recommend it? Yeah, absolutely, I recommend it for the price. These are sold on Amazon, so if I didn't like it, I could just return it, right? So there's no risk. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to put it in the rotation. I'll include that link below the video if you're able to use US Amazon. Yeah, I thought you'd enjoy seeing this, definitely. Yeah, good job Tonife. I hope they come out with more stuff like this and maybe some maybe like a hawkbill version of this. Well, okay, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed seeing this blade. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.